Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This one here is a little bit different because you guys won't see me on camera. But yeah, anyways, welcome. So in today's video, I'm just going to be applying my press-on nails. These are homemade nails, so there is no brand on them. My sister actually made these for me, y'all. She ordered the clear nails off of Amazon, I believe, and she designed these herself for me and fitted these nails to my fingers. So if you do get any press-on nails, or if you order like the big bulk pack off of Amazon, then definitely make sure you size the nails to your fingers, because they are not they're not as universal as the press-on nail packs that you get out of the drugstore, or like Walmart or Walgreens or CVS or wherever you get your press-on nails from. But let's hop into this video, y'all. So I've already went ahead and washed my hands, y'all. I pushed my cuticles back on some of my nails, but with press-on nails, I really just, try not to do too much. I do file my nails. I'm just taking a cotton pad and wiping off the nail. completes this video here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you see more videos like this from me. And again guys, thanks so much for tuning in, for the love and for the support, and I'll see y'all in my next video.